In this video, I'll detail how to forget AirPods Pro 2 or AirPods Pro on iPad. So if your iPad and AirPods Pro is connected together, then you want to connect the AirPods Pro to another device, or you want to connect your iPad to another AirPod, then you need to forget this device to give room for others. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here, whenever you want to forget AirPods Pro 2 on your iPad, is make sure both devices are connected together first. Just open it and pair your AirPods Pro 2 and your iPad together. Once that is done, go to your iPad settings. On the settings page, click on the AirPods Pro name if it is available here, or click on Bluetooth. Click on the information icon, whether it is connected or not. Just go ahead and click on the information icon on the Bluetooth page on your AirPods like this, and then tap forget this device. Then you should see a pop that says forget the name of your AirPods on your iPad. Then go ahead and click on OK. Go ahead and click on forget device. Once you tap forget device, this is going to remove the AirPods Pro from your iPad. So that is all you need to do to forget AirPods Pro 2 on iPad, and you can always go ahead and pair the AirPods Pro 2 with your iPad again. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.